As a family business, our number one priority is our customers. The business started as a two-person operation with Conrad and his mother Margaret. Speak of the man, there he is.
How's that for timing?
We've now grown into a team of skilled tradespeople, apprentices and administration staff.
I've worked here now for 31 years. When we first started, time was a huge problem, from manual bookkeeping, manual processing to now digital. It has grown and changed, but still maintained its same family values.
Some pain points that we were facing in the business were lots of manual paper-based processes.
The office was filled with paperwork.
Timesheets were filled out manually on a slip of paper.
And it was on a deadline to get it to payroll.
Accounts was also a very manual, time-consuming process.
Once a week, we'd have to spend half a day collating job sheets.
With MYOB, it integrates effortlessly with our field management program, and our payroll now takes just a couple of hours in the morning.
MYOB Account Right helps us with end-of-month processing, end-of-financial year processing in a much quicker manner than we could do previously. So it's saved 4 staff members, 4 to 5 hours each every Thursday, so 20 hours a week.
The key to the success of this business is keeping things simple. And what MYOB has done is allowed us to become more efficient without adding complexity.